Hello, this is Molly from Lessons by Molly. One of my viewers wants to know how to get dark blue paint and how to get dark yellow. I'm using Tempera paints, and this video is in terms of Tempera paints. I don't have answers for you on acrylic paints or any other types of paints. And I am using Crayola brand. So this is what the blue looks like by itself. And we can take a good look at that by streaking it on the paper here. That's what the blue is by itself. Now let's try to add just a little bit of black to the blue paint and see if we can get it darker. I'm just going to put a very small amount in, if I can control it. Okay, that's about it. Now I'm going to stir that. And now I'm going to see if I got a darker shade of blue. And there is my blue with a little bit of black added to it. What do you think? Is it darker than the original blue? Can I make it darker? Let's try to add a little bit more black. Just scrape it in there. As you can see, I'm stirring it really well. I'm stirring it clockwise and counterclockwise to get it mixed up. And I'll put this one right here. So I don't know that I would consider that darker. Now the next question is, how do you get dark yellow? And the answer to that question is you don't. No, you don't use black. Black is not going to make your yellow darker. If you add a little bit of orange, you might be able to make your yellow darker or gold tone. I don't have orange paint. I could make orange paint with yellow and red, but what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of red to my yellow paint, and we'll see what happens. But first, let's streak the yellow so that we can see what it's like before the colors are mixed. There's my yellow. And now I'm going to add a little bit of red. What is that ketchup advertisement? Anticipation? That's how I feel like right now. Well, I got a drop in. Let's see how that does. I can always add more. And to me, that is not a darker yellow. That's more of an orange. So you can make your blue a little bit darker with black. It doesn't work with the yellow to make your yellow darker with black. But if you add a little bit of red, you can get a golden orange. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye!